Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you already know to go press that subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so you can get every video I post. So today's video, as you saw by the title, we are going to paint. Well, you have to buy, like, if you guys have that set, the butterfly sets, this right here, you can also get paint from that. So, yes, today I'm going to be using some paint and my paintbrush. And then I have a slime. It's pink. So, yeah, I'm actually kind of mix it in. I'm going to show you guys how to make a cool tip. So, I'm going to get right back to you guys when I'm ready. Okay, guys, so here we go. So, I have my pink. And then, well, hold on. I'm going to get back to you guys when I open my paint. That's hard. Oh, and right now, it's 7:08 or 7:09. And today is March 14th, 2018. So, yeah. So, first, you're going to want to add some pink in. So, I'm just going to get a little bit of pink. Just about this much. And then you want to start putting it in your slime. Spread it all over your slime. And if it's not a lot, you have to get more than that. And you have to dab it all around your slime. Then you just want to kind of mix a little bit, and then you want to leave it. And then you want to go to the color blue. So you can kind of start you want to get that much blue. And then you want to kind of start mixing it in with all your pink, just like that. So, yeah, okay, so just gonna go ahead and keep putting it in, and then you want to give it like a little mix, just like that. And then you want to move on to your next color, which is purple. Get a lot of purple, if you guys still have a lot. So I grabbed a lot of purple, as you can see. Now you just want to dab your purple around, because purple is the most color you get. Then you want to just mix it around with all your color. Then you see your slime coming together a little bit, really starting to come together like that, just like that. And it helps when your slime is sticky and stuff. And then you want to go to your white. So, just like that. So, I'm just going to grab my white like that. And then I'm just going to start. White is the color you want to get all over, because white is the most important color out of all colors. So, you want to make sure you use that wisely, because they give you a shorter amount. They give you, like I said, they give you more purple than any color. Okay, then you want to just close your paints. Let your other one sit for like 1 minute, well, a second, and then you want to just mix it in. Just like that. And it should be coming all together. Just like that. And it should be in one, just like that. I'm sorry if I put you guys so low and you guys can't see my face, because you guys are by my suitcase. So I'm just going to set you a little higher. Just like that. You guys still can't see my face because it's still, my face is up here. So, yeah, that's why you can't see my face. But I'll try to scooch down a little bit. Okay, so I'll try to scoot back a little bit more. Okay, then. So your slime is going to be just like that. Simple as that. Just like that. And share this. If you guys comment below morning routine, I will do my morning routine, because my bedtime routine got 41 views. Thank you very much, guys. Go smash that like button to that video. And you go check out my other channel, which is called Gymnastics Channel, with me doing a handstand with puppy pants on. And then go subscribe to my brother's channel, which is called Ghost Hat. He only plays He only live streams from his PlayStation 4. And yeah, I'm more into slime. Comment hashtag video game if you like video games, but comment below hashtag slime if you love slime. Get this video to, for views, I want to get this video to 100 views, and then for likes, I want to get this to like 50, and then I want more subscribers. I only have 3 subscribers. Come on, guys, really? I'll stop posting videos if you guys don't like my videos. You can just say it in the comments. Delete all your videos, and I will take everything off of YouTube, and I won't talk to you guys ever again if you guys don't like it. If it doesn't work for you guys, and it's working for my slime,